Open the packaging. Check the product and accessories. Install the water heater. Open 3 protective covers separately. When installing the water inlet pipe, make sure to check and avoid missing the rubber gasket. Similarly, when installing the hot water outlet pipe, also check and ensure the rubber gasket is in place. Be cautious when installing the gas pipe to avoid missing the rubber gasket. When install the batteries, positive pole to positive pole, negative to negative. Close the battery cover. Need to purchase a 2 ampere pressure reducing valve. Do not use a booster valve. Turn on the gas switch. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the water switch. Can be used normally. Water pressure issue. When the water pressure and quantity are low, the display screen does not. Please adjust the right knob to adjust the water pressure. To the far right, the display screen will light up and the ignition will work normally. To prevent high water temperature, please adjust the knob on the left for flame adjustment, to the far left, and adjust the middle knob to the far right, again. Only then for low water pressure operation. For prolonged use under low water pressure, consider adding a booster pump at the water inlet. Battery issue. There is a weak ignition sound. Cannot open the battery valve. Well, if there is no ignition sound, then due to defective battery, please replace the battery. Open the battery cover. Remove the battery. Replace with a new battery. Open the new battery protection cover. Install the new battery. Close the battery cover. If ignition issues persist, need to turn off the gas cylinder switch. Disconnect and reconnect the gas pipe. Test if it can be used normally. Wiring issue. If the heater flames out after 3 seconds, dismantle and check the pulse ignition needle connection for looseness, and inspect other wiring connections. Remove all knob covers. Unscrew the lower left corner screw. Unscrew lower right corner screw. Unscrew upper left corner screw. Unscrew upper right corner screw. Open the panel cover. Disconnect and reconnect the 3 ignition needles securely. Check for loose connections in all wire joints. Secure the battery valve plug. Test it. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the panel. Tighten the upper right corner screw. Tighten the upper left corner screw. Tighten the lower right corner screw. Tighten the lower left corner screw. Turn on the gas switch. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the water inlet switch. Can be reused. Winter use issue. To prevent freezing during winter, turn the knob on the right side to the far left. Twist open the water inlet. Twist open the water outlet. Drain all water from inside. To prevent freezing inside, ensure smooth operation upon later use.